To submit a homework assignment or a makeup chat, go into the week of the assignment or the chat. Using either the homework template or the makeup chat template, complete your work. Once you've completed your work, click Add Submission. Find your homework on your hard drive. Upload the correct file. Save your changes. You'll see that it's submitted as a draft. That's okay. You can make corrections or changes to edit that submission. It can still be graded. It'll be graded within a few days of the submission. And you can see here the file that you submitted. That's how you upload homework or a makeup chat. They're both done the same. You can also click Submit the assignment to finalize it if you don't believe that you're going to make any more changes.